And we have more news coming in. This has got to do with developments vis-a-vis the Army Chief's visit to Jammu and Kashmir. It's a review security. It's to review security, I beg your pardon, in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir. The Army Chief, I understand, has been briefed, is what we are learning. Army Chief reviewing the security in Pahalgam, where the terror attack took place on the 22nd of April. Briefed on security situation. General Upendra Dwivedi to visit the attack site next is what we're learning. He will be at Srinagar's 15 Corps headquarters. Security review meeting is underway, is what we are learning. Top army commanders of Jammu and Kashmir present in the briefing. Interestingly, it's General Rajiv Ghai, who's the DGMO military operations, also present in the briefing. A significant move in the backdrop of increased speculation about a possible military response to the Pahalgam terror attack. I'm going straight across to Mir, who is in Srinagar, getting in more details. The Army Chief, possibly after the review meeting, Mir, is going to be moving to Pahalgam. Talk to us about the distance also from Srinagar to Pahalgam and also what is expected.
Well, yes, Neha, yes. Army Chief is in Kashmir, and right now he is at Srinagar's 15 Corps Army headquarters, or the Chinar Corps, and he's being briefed about the present security situation. Also, our sources say that Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai, who is the former 15 Corps commander, and right now has a very hot seat of being the DGMO of military operations. So he's also part of this briefing, of this meeting. So that is significant considering all the speculation that we're hearing about possible military response after all the diplomatic measures to the Pahalgam terror attack, where a cross section of things are being discussed, from a surgical strike on the terror camps to aerial strikes and various other options. So this is significant because he is the DGMO military operations. So him being in Srinagar, normally with the Army Chief, it doesn't happen. So right now in the present situation, he's there, and he is also part of the briefing. Now post this, we've been told that the Army Chief will meet the Lieutenant Governor, and then there's also possibility that he'll visit Pahalgam, meet troops there, discuss the situation, and also possibly visit Baisaran. Now these are the possibilities, but yes, a significant meeting in Srinagar after the Pahalgam terror attack, and possibly the future retaliation and how the military side of things will pan out. It will be discussed in these meetings. Neha?
Mir getting us up to speed with those details as far as the visit of the Army Chief is concerned. And Mir, this also comes in the wake of the UN asking both India and Pakistan to exercise maximum restraint, as you know, there is intense speculation that there will be perhaps a military response to this.